let's see what is two-dimensional array. A two-dimensional array is a collection of one-dimensional array every time. Collection of one-dimensional array. Let me show you how it looks alike. So if this is your one-dimensional array, okay, now 2D is a collection of 1D. So to create a two-dimensional array, we need multiple 1D here. So 2, 5, 9, 8. Let me use one more one-dimensional array here. So that is, we have multiple one-dimensional array here, and the collection of 1D is a 2D. So to collect it, I'm using one more bracket here to collect all these one-dimensional array together. And this becomes our two-dimensional array. This 2D is a collection of three one-dimensional array here. Now, and it looks like this. The indexing of all these values are like this. So first of all, we have this array 1, 2, 29 and 4. Now we have another one-dimensional array here, which is 2, 5, 9 and 8. And then the last one, we have 1, 5, 6 and 9. Now here you can define the indexing also. NumPy supports positive as well as reverse indexing. So 0, 1, 2, or you can use -1, -2 and -3 also for the reverse indexing. Now we have some indexing for the columns as well, 0, 1, 2, 3, or you can use the reverse indexing as well for the columns also, -1, -2, -3 and -4. Okay, now so from here a 2D is a collection of 1D. This is how you can make it. Now how we can access the elements from a two-dimensional array? So in that case you can use, suppose if the array name is A. Okay, let me remove this part, because if you want to create, you just need to use this brackets, not that curly bracket here. Now, so here A of 0 will give you the first array from here, the first one-dimensional array from here, which is 1, 2, 29 and 4. A of 1 will give you the second one-dimensional array from here, which is 2, 5, 9 and 8. And A of 2 will give you the third one-dimensional array from here, or you can use A of -1 as well to access the third one-dimensional array, and so on. It supports reverse indexing as well. Now, what if I want to access this 9 out of it? So in that case, you can use A of 1 will give me this whole one-dimensional array, but I just want this 9. I just want to access 9 from here. So the index for this 9 is 2 or -2. So anything you can use it. And this will give you 9 out of it. So this is the way by which you can create a two-dimensional array. In the next video, we are doing the practical part of this one.